अगर मैं जेमस्टोन नहीं खरीद सका
कुछ नहीं होगा।
कुछ नहीं होगा या ऑन द वर्स्ट एंड की बहुत खराब होना है।
ऐसे ही स्कैम्स में फंसाया जाता है ना.
Some of it is very expensive.
I'm an astrologer. I'm not wearing any stone. Some people would like arrogant with their own employees. अपना Saturn खराब कर रहा है बेटा. You're wearing that Jupiter stone, but still doing all those things which are anti-Jupiter. It'll start giving you health issues.
Right. Most people are like, oh, 7.5 ही मतलब सत्यानाश हो जाएगा.
Saturn is called the Karma Karaka. I think Saturn is the planet which will give you your legacy.
In a girl's chart, if she's Manglik, they don't get married to that girl.
Start working out with your partner. No, if Mars is aspecting the seventh house, compete with your partner. राजयोग सबके चार्ट में है. हम और अच्छे मैं सबके चार्ट में से देख के बना के बता सकता हूँ आपको. Are they going to work? What time will they work?
If everything is so determined, then where is free will?
You do have free will right now, which is going to later on become your destiny. You know? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि मैं जाके किसी का मर्डर कर दूं और वहाँ जाके किसी को पैसा डोनेट कर दूं तो कर्मा बैलेंस हो गया.
This shook me. This I was like, वापस pandemic. Stop right here. If you haven't seen the first part of my conversation with Vikramaditya Verma about the basics of Vedic astrology, I would recommend you watch that video first before you see this one. But if you have, I'm so happy to present the second part of my deep dive into Vedic astrology with Vikramaditya Verma. You know, whenever you go to astrologers, they will in 90% of my experience, they tell you remedies. Some of them is कि ये पूजा करवा लो, ये gemstone पहन लो, ये कर लो, and sometimes some of it is very expensive.
Yeah.
With all due respect to all astrologers out there, sometimes you also get duped.
ये स्कैम तो हर जगह
हर जगह चल रहा है. जहाँ पर good है, वहाँ पर not so good भी है. You know, I wouldn't say anything else.
No, you're
But
right.
what is of your view on remedies?
Everything doesn't need a remedy. Huh? There is an over-reliance on remedy. I know of a lot of people who share their, experiences with me in my reading. There are a lot of times astrologers would just send you to a particular day. इससे ये करियो. हाँ. It depends on what you're trying to remedy. Let's say if it's to do with health. अब कुछ चीजें आपने देखनी है तो देखनी है, and you have to pick out that time. Like sometimes if Rahu is transiting over 6th house, person can believe there's something wrong with them. They're sensing something, but doctor के सामने कुछ नहीं आ रहा. अब वो transit चलेगा 18 महीने. You're going to feel that way. So everything doesn't need a remedy, but if it is something that is bothering you, कुछ चीजें हैं that can help you. Like it can cushion the blow. You know what I'm saying? I cannot remedy everything.
So it's not
But like-
correctional, it's not correctional, but it can just help you deal with it. Is that what a remedy is?
It can be correctional also, and it can work. And in some cases it won't work. So then what the person will have to do is कि सोचो कि अच्छा ये एक्सीडेंट होने से तो मैं नहीं बचा सकता, but I can still give you a cover. I can still give you this sort of a thing where you can have a cushion for this blow. So you can handle this.
Like
It's on both sides. Yeah, like an insurance. Like कि अच्छा आप ऐसे ही कर लो. अभी certain things you can't mitigate, है ना, कि ये कुछ चीजें होनी है, तो उसको तो आप नहीं बदल सकते, तो उसकी रेमेडी क्या करोगे? If an astrologer, so one thing everybody has to know is that if the astrologer claims that they can take away all your problems, and you're going to a wrong astrologer. That's not going to happen.
Right.
They cannot change your karma. But what they can do with the remedy is that sometimes, this is what we believe, right, is that you change the the pipeline, the energy that it was coming to. आप पहले सफर कर रहे थे, आपने सर्विंग शुरू कर दिया, आपने घर पे एक पेट पाल लिया. So you did, like you get up, you clean up after that pet, you feed that bird. आपने वो सफरिंग को सर्विंग में बदल दिया. So you change that side of it. आपने देखा कि आपके पास you were losing something and you had a lot of losses happening. You were like पैसा तो जाना ही था. So like voluntarily align with that energy.
Right.
Right. So remedies can work, and remedies sometimes may not work. Gems will work, gems will not work. It all comes down to your own intention and your bhav. तो मुझे नहीं ये भाव बार like it actually does come back to what is your intention behind it.
I have gone to astrologers where they've also specifically told me कि आप 5 कैरेट का पन्ना पहनो।
Oh yeah.
कि
Wait.
5 कैरेट का पन्ना पहनने के लिए
ऐसा
मुझे मतलब I'll have to break 50 FDs for them. You know, like I also feel so. I would
नहीं चेक तो मत करो.
do the caret matter really matter?
टेक्निकली जो मैनुअल में लिखा है, लाइक वी आर फॉलोइंग अ मैनुअल, है ना, लाइक यू मैनुअल में लिखा है फॉर एवरी 10 केजीज यू वेयर अ रति, है ना, सो इफ योर बॉडी वेट इज 50 केजी 60 केजी, तो उसने बोल दिया 5-6 रति पहनने के लिए, है ना, लाइक व्हाई, बिकॉज उसको उतना इफेक्ट देना उसको,
Right.
वो है. बट लेट्स से इफ समबडी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड दैट स्टोन, आई हैव क्लाइंट्स हु कैन अफोर्ड द बेस्ट ऑफ ब्लू सफायर्स, तो वहां कोई इशू नहीं है ना, बट लेट्स से समबडी, so then उसको कोई और रेमेडी दे दो ना, पन्ना मत. बर्करी के लिए द बेस्ट फ्री रेमेडी इज बिफोर यू गो टू स्लीप यू राइट अ लेटर टू योरसेल्फ कि आज हुआ क्या. जितने शब्द, लाइक मर्करी इज व्हाट, मर्करी इज योर लैंग्वेज, राइट, एंड द मोर क्लैरिटी यू हैव इन योर ऑब्जर्वेशन कि ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ. आप मत पहनो कोई भी स्टोन, बट उस एनर्जी को, इट्स लाइक आई लव समबडी और मैं उसका स्टोन पहन के बैठा, मैं उससे प्यार क्यों नहीं कर रहा.
Correct.
Forget all the stone. I'm an astrologer. I'm not wearing any stone. You know why? Because कि जो है ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई गलत है उसके अंदर. It
Correct.
works. No, for some people, if they put that belief into this, that okay, I'm wearing this stone, it's going to guide me well. It can work. It's there. But if you start now thinking, you know, because there are astrologers who will just pick out that thing because they want to sell a gem to you, ये भी होता है. You know कि उनका secondary business gems का हो गया है. They are not astrologers anymore. So I'm not saying they're wrong. No,
Right.
everybody is doing their own thing. When you are choosing an astrologer, you want to see how sincere they are towards it. They may have limited knowledge, है ना, ऐसा हो सकता है, सब तो नहीं पता हो. But are they really looking?
So the carrots
Matter.
matter. On a lighter note, I would tell somebody कि अगर because you said for every 10 kgs is a rati, I was like नहीं afford कर सकते, थोड़ा weight lose कर लो.
एक रति कम कर लो.
एक रति कम कर लो, थोड़ा weight कम कर लो.
वो अपने आप में ही रेमेडी है. But I say, like, even if you don't wear it and you lose 10 kg, you're already feeling better. Like the Lord strong हो गया. You know?
Exactly.
कुछ चीजें हमने अपने जो बड़े बुरे हमारे कहते थे, हमारे जो है ना, उसको हमने निगेट कर दिया बीच में, 90s के बीच में, एटलीस्ट फॉर मी आई फील, यू नो. बट नाउ यू आर रियलाइजिंग यार वो तो कितनी बात में उसमें विजडम है ना. लाइक वी ऑल नो अर्ली टू बेड अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स यू हेल्दी वेल्दी एंड वाइज, है ना, सबने सुनी है ये बात. But astrologically, I can tell you, it actually is a remedy. You know, like when you get up early in the morning, you go out, look at the rising sun, you are giving yourself more self-confidence. तो जो सूर्य नमस्कार करते हैं लोग जाके, है ना, like why are you praying to the सूर्य? Because it is that soul, it's giving you that self belief कि मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. आदमी बहुत knowledgeable हो पर उसके अंदर belief ना हो,
Right.
तो काम नहीं आया, है ना. Like somebody can be a great, I know a cricketer who knows the thing, but उसको belief नहीं है that I can go out. सूर्य की रेमेडी देना पड़ेगा.
Right. So remedies do work.
रेमेडीज हुआ, अगर वो रेमेडी नहीं भी कर रहे हो, है ना, मतलब कि आप समझ रहे हो कि आप नहीं पहन सकते स्टोन, है ना, लाइक नॉट एवरीबडी कैन अफोर्ड टू पे फॉर दोस थिंग्स. आई एम सेइंग लीव ऑल दैट. यू कनेक्ट विद द एनर्जी दैट द पर्सन इज गिविंग यू स्टोन फॉर, है ना, लाइक कि अगर आपको उसने बोला, जैसे यू नोटिस समबडी वेयर्स ब्लू सैफायर, है ना, फॉर सैटर्न. नो एवरीबडी कैन नॉट, एंड प्लस इट आल्सो कम्स डाउन टू द क्लैरिटी ऑफ द जेम और उसकी क्वालिटी. अब अगर वो नहीं चलेगा तो सारे
That's tree of its own.
yeah, वो धंधा है. I mean, you know, complete business of its own that पहले आपको स्टोन दिया, उसका हल्का स्टोन दे के दिया, like उसका वो नहीं है तो टोपाज दे दो, है ना. It can work. I'm not saying it's not wrong. Gems can work. But what if the person cannot afford it? You know?
Exactly.
Then what do I? अब हक नहीं है मेरे पास जीने का. You know, I cannot use this knowledge. You can. You know, you actually start serving that Saturn. ना उसको ना पहन के भी have a schedule. How do you prove your Saturn? Value your time. काल. Saturn is काल. You know, time तो slowly चलते हैं, है ना. Saturn takes 2.5, 3 years in one sign. If you have to graduate on something, it will take 3 years. Right? आप सैटर्न से जुड़े हो. सैटर्न इज व्हाट, लाइक उसके अलग अलग तरीके हैं, सिर्फ जेम एक तरीका है उसका, है ना. सैटर्न इज ओल्ड पीपल इन योर फैमिली, पीपल हु हैव प्रॉब्लम इन वॉकिंग,
Correct.
पीपल हु नीड शूज, पीपल हु वर्क फॉर यू इज सैटर्न. बी नाइस विद देम. देयर आर सम पीपल हु आर लाइक एरोगेंट विद देयर ओन एम्प्लॉयज. अपना सैटर्न खराब कर रहा है बेटा तू.
Correct. I've seen a lot of people who are very rude to waiters. You know, it's just so you're saying कि वो खराब हो रहा है.
हाँ, आपकी हर एक भाव में, आपके हर एक एनर्जी में एक एक्शन जुड़ा हुआ है. एक्शन सिर्फ यही थोड़ी जो मैं एक्ट करो, है ना, लाइक इट्स happening at all 3 levels.
So also what I'm trying to bust here is that fear कि अगर मैं जेमस्टोन नहीं खरीद सका
कुछ नहीं होगा।
कुछ नहीं होगा, या ऑन द वर्स्ट एंड कि बहुत खराब हो जाए।
ये ऐसे ही स्कैम्स में फंसाया जाता है ना?
Correct.
लाइक द पर्सन विल टेल यू समबडी इज नरेटिंग कि वो बोला मैं आई विल गिव यू फ्री रीडिंग।
अलग फ्री दी।
फ्री रीडिंग, है ना? लाइक फ्री में कौन-सा वाला छोड़ना था। बट उसने रीडिंग में उसको कन्विंस कर दिया कि अनलेस यू डू दिस, यू विल हैव टू विल बी 30,000 रुपीज़ का एक पूजा और साथ। अभी मैं ही नहीं कह रहा हूँ, आई डोंट इवन हो सकता है वो बंदा सही इंटेंशन से कर रहा हो, बट it's also happening. Like the over-reliance, again, coming back to that side of it, ki just if it is working for you, brilliant. But if the person is doing it through fear, through creating a narrative where you feel that you now need this person,
Right.
वो गलत हो रहा है. I in fact do not want that person because so attached to me that every small things I have to tell them that ये आप करो. वो भी जरूरी नहीं है. You start building on that thing of connecting with the sun. जैसे आपने नवग्रहों का उन सबका एक simple remedies है. For the sun, it's literally the sun. Your father, right? Like अगर असुर उसने बोला कि ये ग्रह ठीक करना है आपको, है ना? Sun for your self confidence. Somebody who wants to get into creative field, movie making or this field. Check on your Venus. Are you even nice with women? No, are you nice with creators? No? वो वीनस की एनर्जी है. अगर लड़की बैठी है सामने, भैया लक्ष्मी बैठी. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि आप स्टोन पहन लिया तो आप ठीक कर लिया मैंने उसको. Don't take it like this. Like if you're wearing that Jupiter stone but still doing all those things which are anti-Jupiter, it'll start giving you health issues.
Right.
No, some people start wearing those yellow sapphires and you'll see that they start putting on weight.
Right.
ना कि हर चीज का ये नहीं है कि उसका पॉजिटिव ही है, उसका कोई नेगेटिव भी हो सकता है कभी
And
कभी.
it's not a do or die situation.
Yeah.
It's not like कि अगर नहीं पहना तो
हाँ, डू और सम एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स आर वेरी स्मार्ट कि आया ये तो कोई परेशानी होगा ना, वरना क्यों आएगा कोई एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास, है ना? एंड देन दे विल पिक अप समथिंग एंड दे विल से और वही 4 ग्रह को घुमाते रहेंगे, है ना? शनि, मंगल, राहु, केतु बिकॉज़ दे आर द मेलेफिक्स, तो वहाँ से वो चीज़ आ रही. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट दीस आर द वंस व्हिच आर गिविंग यू द एबिलिटी टू डू समथिंग. अगर किसी का राहु, केतु, सैटर्न, मंगल सही काम नहीं कर रहा है ना, दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग, जस्ट एन्जॉयिंग लाइफ. लाइक वो कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ही नहीं है.
correct.
Like a good story, you want a good conflict, है ना?
Yeah.
कि ये चीज़ है, तो देन यू फाइंड कि ये अगर आपने हीरो बनना है सामने से किसी को तो विलन बनना है ना? सो वो एनर्जी सामने से वही आ रही है जो आपके यू हैव टू बिलीव दैट एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग फॉर यू एट ऑल टाइम्स. यू आर गिवन आइडियाज, यू आर गिवन मैसेजेस. अब आप उसके साथ ट्यून इन कितना करते हो वो आपके ऊपर है ना? लाइक देयर आर आंसर्स टू योर क्वेश्चंस अराउंड यू.
We have spoken about fears, and I want to address this because that's why most people are so fearful about sometimes even getting their charts read, because they say dasha, or doshas, and there is this one, especially when that one word comes up, as at least for me personally, साढ़े साथी. जैसे ही लोग साढ़े साथी बोलते हैं और सैटर्न का नाम लेते हैं, वो इतना फियर इंस्टिल हो गया है हमारे में that most people are like, oh, साढ़े साथी मतलब सत्यानाश हो जाएगा. I want you to speak about that from the perspective of somebody who's read so many charts.
Dangerous terms जो यूज होते हैं ना, like साढ़े सात is what 7.5 years of Saturn transiting near you over your moon. So 2.5 years behind the moon, 2.5 years over the moon, and 2.5 years ahead of moon. So अभी Saturn से क्यों लोग डरते हैं? क्योंकि वो सच्चाई दिखाएंगे ना आपको, है ना? कोई आप अपनी मस्ती में चल रहे थे, आपको लग रहा है सब सही चल रहा है. This is letting you know that this is where you need to be careful. These are the obstacles. Somebody who has good Saturn, they are actually going to rise in Sade Sati. No, like they'll do all the hard work and set up their business. Yes, it may have been a struggle because Saturn was slowing it down. It's like the train is going to stop at all those small stops, passages, but it'll take you to that direction. आपको छोड़ेगी तो वहाँ पे. Some people are not aligned with that energy. Why? Because the first Sade Sati will usually happen within the first 30 years. हो जाएगी क्योंकि Saturn takes 30 years to complete one round. Okay. Around the 12 signs. So, is that a fear? Well, for somebody it can be. For people who don't want to face the reality, it can be fearful. For people who are not patient enough, उनको patience दिया जाएगा, develop किया जाएगा, है ना? What is Saturn trying to do? Is it's trying to make things serious for you. कि time को waste मत करो. पर वही 7.5 साल में people find out that actually, no, it was so slow. They feel that they were stuck. A lot of times people tell it's not a bad period. In my opinion, it is that period which is going to just show you your reality. अगर आप पहले से ही ऐसे कुछ करके आ रहे हो, तो then you cannot complain. But in fact, sometimes during that phase, if Saturn is a benefic, like it's in a good place in the chart, so it's a benefic in the chart. It's actually laying the foundation for your success. In those 7 years, you're doing all that thing जो initially करनी जरूरी है before it goes into an autopilot mode.
Right.
So
It's not a
Not-
thing to be scared of.
yeah. But sometimes it is not like it's सबके लिए सही भी होगा, है ना? For some people, it will be a period where they'll feel that moon is your emotions ना. अब वो Saturn ने उसी पे break लगा दी. So emotionally, you can feel that blue. Saturn is the karaka for melancholy. No? So you can feel certain sadness. But can you make Saturn go faster? कि ये 7.5 साल जल्दी खत्म कर दे मेरे लिए? ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? So what the best thing is that when you know that there is nothing you can do during a particular period is you align with this. Can find a silver lining. So हर बार नहीं होगा वो. But it's not a bad period. I think Saturn is the period, the planet which will give you your legacy. No? Like after you've left, how do people remember you? ये चीज वहीं से आएगी.
I've also read Saturn is about work and discipline. You keep doing the work, you put your head down, and eventually it rewards you for all the hard work that you're putting in and all the discipline that you've done. Is
Beautiful
that
question.
correct?
Baba, see, Saturn is called the Karma Karaka. है ना? The word karma comes from kurma, turtle.
Turtle.
है ना? Like they say we are on a turtle's back. है ना? वो धीरे धीरे वो चले. So Saturn is slow. Saturn is like that. You've heard that story, of a race between a turtle and a hare. है ना? So that's that turtle is Saturn. No. Slow and steady will win the race is Saturn. Like it'll take some time, it'll need some patience. Why? Because it is taking everybody along. है ना? जो अकेला निकलना चाहता है, अकेला चला जाता है. Saturn wants to take everybody along with it.
Right. And when you said turtle, it's very interesting because my mind immediately connected the turtle to Samudra Manthan. The Samudra Manthan actually happened on the turtle. So when you connect this, that means actually what you're telling me is when that churning happens during the Saturn period, bad will come out, but eventually good will also come out. जो आपके पॉइजन आ रहा है अमृत भी आएगा तो देयर इज नथिंग टू बी सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ एंड दैट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस एनालॉजी दैट यू गिवन मी
When such a the word kurma. So you see, it's like hitting the gym. So you know that phrase, no pain, no gain. हाँ? अगर कुछ चाहिए तो खाना तो पड़ेगा. मैंने कहा उसे कैसे भागोगे?
करेक्ट
हाँ.
other dosha that most people are scared of is manglik and people tie that to marriage वो फिर जाके banyan tree से शादी कर रहे हैं and they get very scared. I've also heard of extreme cases that in a girl's chart, if she's Manglik, they don't get married to that girl. And I really want to talk about that, if you can tell me.
ये भी एक फियर बनाया हुआ है. मांगलिक मीन्स दैट इसका मार्क्स बहुत स्ट्रांग है. ऐसी जगह पे है जहाँ पे पहले इसको अपने एक्शंस पूरे करने चाहिए. उसका इफेक्ट 28 साल तक स्ट्रांग रहता है. Every planet has a maturity age. Correct. So Mars' age is 28. मांगलिक का क्या मतलब है कि उसके चार्ट में 12 में से 5 ऐसे स्थान है. So half of the world would be मांगलिक. See कि that what is it that if it is, let's say Mars is in the ascendant, the first house, it has an aspect on the Lagna, it has an aspect on the 7th house. What is it trying to tell you? That this person has a lot of energy. इसको शादी में वेस्ट नहीं करना है वो. He has to wants to do a lot of things. So for until the first 28 years, we tell them to avoid it. But what if the other person finds it's like minus minus positive हो जाता है.
Correct.
That the person was Manglik, they found another Manglik person. तो cancel out हो गया वो. Both of them are very driven people.
Right.
What the fear here is that sometimes let's say Mars is aspecting that 7th house in such a manner that बहुत heavy और सामने भी आपको वो चार्ट वैसा नहीं मिला. And sometimes it happens, that's why I avoid doing Kundali Milan in my thing. Why? Because I don't want to tell you if this is the right person for you or not. ये मैं नहीं चॉइस करूंगा कि तू इससे शादी करी.
Actually, on a website, you actually mentioned that I don't do horoscope matching. Yeah.
I don't tell the person if you should marry this person or not. You come to me, tell me, this is the person I'm marrying. How do you think our compatibility will work and what can we do to improve this? That I am willing to answer.
Right.
But I don't want to make a choice for you. ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ, like person every 3 months is coming, ये लड़की देखो, and people do this. Manglik is not a fault as such. It's only telling you that it has a lot of fire on you. Mars is that energy. So क्यों किसी पेट से शादी करेगी कि पहले में वो बाहर उठा गया, है ना? उसके पीछे थॉट क्या है कि इसका पहला वाला तो ऐसे ही हो गया था, so सेकंड वाला ऐसा हुआ. Sometimes when I look at it, and usually I would tell the person that you wait until the age of 28. Till the time you date the person. And it cools down. ऐसा नहीं है कि मांग लिया तो सारा. But sometimes it's so strong in a person's chart that every time they'll get into a relationship, there can be fiery situation coming up.
Right.
Mars. So then you give remedies accordingly.
Right.
Start working out with your partner. If Mars is aspecting the 7th house, compete with your partner.
Right.
Go. And you see the change.
Because people don't understand
Yeah.
what Manglik is. There have been times where people have been ostracized for being Manglik. किसी ने शादी नहीं
वो पेरेंट्स करते हैं ना, वो पुरानी चीजों से ही वो चलता आ रहा है. लाइक यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग अ चाइल्ड, अभी लड़की 24 साल की हुई है तो अभी शादी करा दो इसी फटाफट, है ना? लाइक आई हैव एक्चुअली काउंसल्ड पेरेंट्स कि प्लीज इसको फोर्स मत करो, है ना, टू गेट इनटू वेडिंग. राइट नाउ शी स्टिल हैज 4 years ऑफ डूइंग समथिंग वेल विद अ करियर. अब वहां क्यों नहीं फोकस कर रहे हैं, है ना? सिर्फ लव इज नॉट लाइफ, लव इज पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, है ना? सिर्फ और भी चीजें करने के लिए.
Correct.
मंगलिक दोष इज नॉट टू बी फियर्ड, है ना? आधी जनता मंगलिक होगी इस धरती पे, है ना?
Correct.
Like there are 5 placements that cover that.
When we talk about bad news, there's also good news sometimes that, you get.
Sometimes bad news is the good news.
This is the bad news. Like, I went to an astrologer with a friend of mine, and he looked at his kundli and said, "Aapko to Raj Yog hai." Raj Yog. Because there are these yogs also that you can see.
सबकी चार्ट पे ये है बाबा.
हाँ, so he got so happy. He said कि आप जाके जितना दान करोगे उतना आपके लिए अच्छा है. And this person, my friend, has gone completely crazy. मतलब चलते चलते to the beggar he's giving $500. फिर किसी को 5. I'm just like, you're going crazy. पहले राजयोग एक्टिवेट होने दो. You're already imagining कि हम राजा बन गए. What is
It's a vision, मतलब मैं उसको गलत नहीं मानता हूँ, उसका तरीका है ना. Like he's already accepted the fact that I have abundance. आ रही नहीं है मेरे पास, so it can work, right? I can afford to give $500 to a beggar or something, sure.
But how do you look at yoga?
राजयोग सबके चार्ट में है, बहुत अच्छे मैं सबके चार्ट में से देख के बना के बता सकता हूँ आपको. Everybody will have them.
Right.
Are they going to work? What time will they work? And what is the impact that they'll have?
That is so important to know that when it will work, when it will activate. So if you could just tell me a little bit about yogs, how do they work?
So see, the houses are also in different categories. So 1, 4, 7, 10. These 4 houses are the kendras, the pillars of a chart. Abhi ye wo charts is like, what is first house? You, right? 7th house is your partner. 4th house is your home. 10th house is your career. ये तो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपकी, है ना? मेरे हेल्थ ठीक हो, मेरा रिलेशनशिप है, मेरा घर ठीक है, मेरा करियर ठीक है. Correct. So these are important pillars. And then the rulers of the 5th house and the 9th house. 5th house is your children, your purva punya, your blessings. 9th house is your bhagya, है ना? We also want कि हमारे पास टैलेंट भी हो, हमारा लक भी हो. अब इन सारे हाउसेस के जो रूलर्स हैं, अगर ये इंटरैक्ट कर रहे हैं आपस में, राइट, लाइक लेट्स से वीनस और सैटर्न अगर इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं चार्ट में, दैट्स अ राजयोग, राइट? अब वो कैसा राजयोग है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन विच हाउस दे आर इम्पैक्टिंग, विच साइन दे आर इन. सो देयर इज अ बेनिफिट टू इट, बट वो उसका जो अपना सिग्निफिकेशन है उस प्लैनेट का, वो थोड़ी चला जाएगा. अब सैटर्न तो सैटर्न ही रहेगा, है ना? लाइक व्हेन इट इज गोइंग टू गो देयर, इवन इफ इट इज सिटिंग विद वीनस एंड इट गिव्स यू सक्सेस इन योर वीनस इन करियर, लाइक योर क्रिएटिव करियर, it can impact your love life.
Right.
No? Like Rajयोग in itself, अब उसके बहुत सारे variations हैं, like there, but the impact of that will come to an overall comprehensive analysis कि ये इसको कितना weightage मिल रहा है chart.
Right. So the chart also tells you the yog, and you can make out कि वो योग कब activate होगा.
Dashas, transits, what is dasha? The time period. ये दशा के बारे में हमने बात नहीं करी, है ना? दशा का क्या मतलब है? दशा is condition, Arabic word. दशा is what time period you are going through. Imagine करो, इसको एक simplified terms में अगर बताया जाए कि आप अगर किसी ग्रह के दशा में चल रहे हो, वही ग्रह आपको ड्राइव कर रहा है सोल सफर में, right? So somebody is going through, let's say, a guru दशा, तो वो 16 साल गुरु के वो is like a teacher driving them around, and depending on how that Jupiter is placed in their chart is going to teach them those things, क्योंकि उसको 16 साल मिले. Imagine somebody is in an 18-year dasha of Rahu. अभी उसको हर चीज वो एक्सप्लोर करनी है, क्योंकि एवरी 18 मंथ्स राहु चेंजेस साइन. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक यू आर, अगर ऐसा हो जाए दैट यू कैन एवरी डे आस्क फॉर द सेम थिंग, यू विल गेट इट. बट द थिंग इज, बिकॉज मून चेंजेस साइन एवरी 2.5 days, our emotions keep on changing, our focus keeps on changing. हाँ? So we are all creators. जो भी चीज आप लोग मांग रहे हो या जो भी चाहिए आपको मिलेगा. You are going to create it, but you'll also have to see the the consequences of that thing as well. We are in a way Brahmas only, है ना? हम Brahmasmi. We can create. If you can think about it, you can create. Right. And उस process में आपने जो जो actions लिए उसका bill भी आपको pay करना है. Correct. Actually, you'll notice on your birthday, why is birthday very important? Every year or around your birthday, sun is coming to that degree where it is in the chart. Right? It's called Varshval Kundli, solar return. That day, so people wish you, right? If people know you, then you'll get attention. Already you are in an attention, you're getting that recognition. Now that's a great point to now manifest something, set intentions. Birthday is a great day to go out, look at the rising sun, sitting with yourself and setting your intention, and your chart of that day will tell you that ऐसा ऐसा है. A lot of my clients, they meet me annually. एक reading हो गया, so we'll do like a Varshfal Kumli to understand. उसमें भी काफी insights है. Like one is your dasha, of course, and which is the main thing, what dasha you are in. But the other aspects are complementary to each other. They are also giving you a lot of insights.
I'm understanding that astrology is almost absolute because how the planets are placed, उसके हिसाब से it almost feels like it's predetermined. पहले हो चुका है कि ये मिलेगा, अगर आप ये टाइम पे आपके साथ ये होने वाला तो यही होगा. Makes me question कि यहाँ पर free will का कहाँ स्पेस है?
हाँ,
If everything is so determined, then where is free will?
बिल्कुल. बस सी, अगर वो कर्म में ही वो बोल रहे हैं कि एक संचिता कर्म है, प्रारब्ध कर्म है और एक क्रियामाण कर्म. क्रियामाण कर्म means that I am creating new karma. If I'm creating new karma, I must have some free will, right? And अब ये टेक्निकली इसका आंसर चार्ट में देख के ये भी बता सकते हैं अब आपको कि हाउ मच फ्री विल यू हैव. देयर इज फ्री विल, इन अ लिमिटेड फ्री विल. लाइक योर पास्ट कर्मा हैव क्रिएटेड योर सर्कमस्टांसेस इन योर करंट लाइफ.
Right.
सो सर्कमस्टांसेस तो आप चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट विद इन दैट सर्कमस्टांसेस यू कैन मेक अ चॉइस. जैसे मैंने चॉइस किया कि सैंडविच खाएगा कि खिचड़ी खाएगा, है ना? पर वो मेरी लिमिटेड चॉइस थी. आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल.
Right, exactly.
ये हो जो है. So that's the thing, that whatever you're being offered, you have to make a choice. Some people who now, is everything predestined? No, like अब यही तो debatable चीज है कि you could not have changed your parents, your father, but you do have a choice of who you want to be friends with.
Yeah.
No? Like and that's where it comes down. It's, you do have free will right now, which is going to later on become your destiny. And that's the cycle which is continuing. अब उसके से बाहर क्या है चीज जो आपको स्पिरिचुअल साइड में पता चलेगी, दैट यू स्टार्ट डिवोटिंग ऑल योर कर्मा टू योर डिवाइन. दैट उसकी कॉलिंग आती है और उसे आई डू दिस. सो यू नो लॉन्गर टाइड टू दैट. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर नाउ बिकमिंग अ मीडियम ऑफ योर गुरु, ऑफ योर डिवाइन, राइट?
But do you really have a choice about who you become friends with? Because on a larger spiritual perspective, they say that everybody you meet and everybody who's in your life has also got some sort of contract with you and it's predestined to a certain extent. So do we really even have that choice?
We have an idea that we are making a choice, right? Like जैसे मैंने एक choice किया कि मैं ये खाऊं.
So is it the illusion of free will?
It's an illusion of free will, in my opinion. And I am saying that everything is not already predetermined. But with my own practice, I'm realizing that even like even in your free will, you thought you were doing something. It leads you, like as if the chart aligns with your action and still gives you what circumstances that you had to experience.
Exactly.
So if you weren't supposed to have a good relationship, no matter what you do, you're coming to that point and you've changed that excuse because you've detached from
Right.
it. So now it's working. Right. So in my opinion, yes, even a thought that comes into your mind is something that you can't control. Can you control what you're going to be thinking 10 minutes later? We can't. But how we engage with that thought, बात तो वहाँ है ना? Right? ऑप्शन मेरे पास अवेलेबल था वो मैं चाहता तो इट्स लाइक यू वाचिंग यूट्यूब you can skip ad. Will you or will you not?
Correct.
So
So I love answers that end up in a yes and a no. Maybe. No, who's
yeah,
to say?
yeah. And I'm telling you, life is a lot of it is happening also in the gray area. It's not that people like to oversimplify this. मैं भी कभी कभार एक गलती कर देता हूँ, है ना? But the thing is, it's not like that. Everybody's chart is unique. Everybody's point of view of looking at things is unique. So there's not this thing that one answer will fit all.
Correct.
कि वो ऐसा तो नहीं होगा.
Why do you think a soul actually comes into this body to take this suffer?
वाहेगुरु.
और हिंदी वाला सफर भी और इंग्लिश वाला सफर भी.
हाँ.
Why is the soul coming here to do this?
ये तो प्ले चल रहा है बाबा. I mean, या भी आप मेरी ओपिनियन मान रहे
हाँ,
हो.
आपकी ओपिनियन, पर्सनल ओपिनियन.
In my opinion, it's just a hide and seek I'm playing with my lover, my divine. है ना? कभी वो भाग के भागा रहा पीछे आ रहा होता, कभी मैं हट जाता हूँ, वो आ जाता.
Wow.
There's a play going on, है ना? You know, it's like a water started its journey. उससे अलग तो हो गया, but it comes back. करेक्ट, वो सर्कल चल रहा है. So there's nobody in somewhere I feel that this is all a reflection of me only. Bhav bhi, it's a part of Vikramaditya Verma. Maybe like Vikram is part of you, So और कौन है यहाँ पे? मैं भी हूँ और मेरा डिवाइन है ना? वो चल रही है, एक प्ले चल रहा है बाबा, है ना? कभी वो नाराज हो जाता है, कभी हम साथ में होते हैं.
Such a beautiful answer. I have to confess, I stalked you on Twitter, now X. I have actually bookmarked some of your tweets because I found them so interesting. I'm going to read them out to you.
Please.
And please, I'd like to know in person your insight. The first one is 6 years from now, when Saturn will be retrograde in Aries in Bharani Nakshatra, trine to Rahu in Sagittarius in Moola Nakshatra. This transit will trigger a mass destruction. There could be possibility of a pandemic or a world war-like situation. The time frame you've given is November 2029 to March 2030.
ये तो अभी है.
This shook me. I was like, वापस pandemic. Or what, it's, so I want to look.
सीरियस ट्वीट उठा लिया भाई ने.
According to you, I want to know, on a scale of 1 to 10, how accurate do you think this is? I'm actually asking about your own accuracy. Because this is a interesting tweet. I don't want to use another word.
This tweet, this just came and it kept coming back in my astrology circles. यार क्या ये देख रहे हो आप, ये देख. I usually don't like to tweet anything which can scare a person. But उस दिन मैं उस mood में था. You know what I say? कि यार no, this is there and now you better be doing what you want to do because you don't know how this is going to go, how this is going to turn out. There are indications of a certain things which are, but it's not scary. It's like a balancing of certain things.
Right.
So I hope I kuch tweets now, it just kept coming back. I don't want to be making negative predictions. I don't want to. But certain transits, certain things, they just tell you that, oh, किसी conversation से आया था ये tweet बाहर है. Like I was on it and no, I'm convinced कि ऐसा होगा. So अभी वो देखना नहीं चाहता मैं, but वो कैसा देखना पड़ेगा? Will it be a pandemic? Will it be something else?
Right.
But it does, 2031.
And I think from an audience perspective, when I read this tweet, now that you're talking about it, yes, your initial reaction is, oh my God, you're scared. But now if I change the narrative in my head and I'm like, okay, if this happens 6 years from now, I have time to do whatever I need to do to equip myself for life that will come after the event.
Yeah.
Like, what can I do right now? So like you said, the blow is easier, not just for me, but for people around me. And what can we do to prepare ourselves for the event and life after the event?
What could we do? We've already sort of had a trial run in 2020, 2021, and I'm smiling about it, but I know how many people I lost, my close ones during that period. So ऐसा नहीं है कि वो I'm taking it lightly. There's a book I read, Black Swan. Unknowns are unknown. बोला you don't even know what you don't know.
Correct.
So उसके लिए prepare कर रहा है. You can't prepare for everything, but you better be going after what you want. Whatever you feel that your divine is asking you to to do. Certain of my people in my community, they've already moved on to organic farming. Like they've already moved on to making their own communities so that they are less dependent on outside situations. So, और वही चल रहा है Saturn and Aquarius. We are all trying to make our own community. Correct. So
I guess this is also a part of that only, making
this is all the souls. आप ये क्यों कर? आपको लग रहा है आप कर रहे हो ये? Soul suffer with bhav. Yes, you are doing it, but something in your inside of you is driving you to put out. Why didn't you make any other such thing? Views तो किसी और चीज में भी आ जाते हैं ना. Why did you choose this subject? And you have to know your own chart to know this, that I am meant to do this. A tweet came out that people are preparing, right? Like they realize that there are certain situations where it could be unavoidable. Certain things were during the COVID situation. There were certain things which is, and actually I had tweeted about that also in 2019, that we are moving into a phase where a lot of people will be secluding, going into isolation. Oh, aise hoga isolation, I did not know. Exactly. Right, but I did, like 2019. Why? Because there are certain combinations, right, which can indicate something like this. But yeah, how can you prepare? You have your community, aane wale time mein, the focus is going to be more of a spiritual war than like a material war. We are moving into a situation where a lot of your work will be done by artificial intelligence. A lot of that situation. Then what do you do now? Yeah. कितनी रीलें बना लोगे, कितना क्या कर लोगे? You need some. Everybody wants a purpose. हर किसी को चाहिए.
So the next one that you've tweeted is astrology is cosmic sanity, offering a source of clarity, understanding, and a sense of order amidst the complexities and uncertainties of life. Now, the part that caught my attention is where you said learning more about astrology is self care.
Hmm.
How is learning more about astrology self care?
Once I've understood my behavior pattern, that यहाँ पे आके मैं self sabotage कर देता हूँ, यहाँ पे आके this is how my outlook is on relationship, this is what my outlook is on my relationship with my parents. You understood what your triggers are. Isn't that the first step of empowering yourself? Like you know what your tics are, okay, and why that happens. And next time you're in that situation, you know how to address it. So for me, astrology is why I said, and I still say that astrology is self-love, self-care. It is part of you to understand yourself better. सिर्फ predictions की बात नहीं है. बात तो ये है that you have understood that what was that desire that has created this journey. Am I really going after it? Huh?
Right.
And if I'm not, what is stopping me?
The next one is where you tweeted good and bad deeds exist independently in the realm of karma. A good deed doesn't cancel out the not so good deed. These are two separate karmic accounts. And why I have bookmarked this is people say कि अभी ये कर लिया ना, इसको बैलेंस करने के लिए यहाँ पे दान कर दूंगा.
हाँ.
And this is an interesting tweet because you are saying कि ऐसा नहीं होता, ये दो अलग अलग खाते हैं.
Yeah.
So I want you to say something about it.
Brilliant. Exactly what you said. That ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि मैं जाके किसी का मर्डर कर दूं और वहां जाके किसी को पैसा डोनेट कर दूं तो कर्मा बैलेंस हो गया हो. वन साइड ऑफ इट इज कंटिन्यूइंग, वो एक डेबिट चल रहा है. कुछ अच्छे काम कर रहे हो तो क्रेडिट भी चल रहा है. एंड इफ somebody is praying for you, somebody is doing, you've done such an, it can help cushion that. But वो कर्मा गया नहीं कहीं पे. There are ways or through Kriya Yoga where you can release that also of your memory. अब ये भी एक study है उसके ऊपर, so but yeah, these are two separate accounts. It can't be कि मैं जाके एक चीज को जाके चीट करूं और दूसरी चीज को बराबर कर देता हूं तो अब मैं बच गया.
Correct.
ना, you've accumulated a certain debt of a particular karma of a particular planet, and जब उसका समय आएगा वो उसको बैलेंस करेगा. Sometimes you know what happens, we made a mistake. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि instant karma ही मिल जाएगा हर बार. Sometimes you are going through a particular period of dasha where your guru was helping you. It was hiding your mistakes.
Right.
So आपने गलतियां भी करी तो बच गया.
Right.
Sometimes you're going through a dasha where आप instant karma, you did something, it's there. Why? Because your guru is trying that वो उतना उस पे इंटरेस्ट नहीं बन जाए. So sometimes when you do something और instant karma हो गया ना, consider yourself as the lucky person. Why? Because now it is your guru is making sure कि ये कर्मा के ऊपर इतना इंटरेस्ट ऐड नहीं हो जाए कि वो बहुत बड़ा बन जाए. Right? So then people come back and they have to like really serve. A lot of people who actually become very prominent, they have that sort of a situation कि लोगों को उतना सर्व करना था उस इंसान को.
It's a very interesting thought that came to me. कि astrology, as we know it, is the science depending on the planets that already existed. But we know as our science is expanding and we are learning more things, we are we are actually discovering more universes and galaxies. There may be a time where new planets will be discovered. There has been instances where we said this is not a planet and we've not considered it a planet. If that situation arises, in your personal opinion, how will that affect astrology as we know it today?
Excellent question, Nova. See, I'm not going to reinvent the wheel, है ना? सर्कल तो 360 डिग्री का ही रहेगा. अब उसमें you want to add a 13 sign कि अब 12 के बजाय वो पिच है ना, there was this talk going on. But it's going to be 360. नवग्रह और ये सिस्टम ऐसा बन चुका है ना, like it's there. All the others, even if we discover, and we keep on discovering, like in Vedic astrology, there is no mention of Neptune, Pluto, and Uranus, है ना? Uranus, but it is part of tropical astrology.
Right.
और ये नहीं कि वो सही है, वो भी valid information है. I do not call any branch of astrology wrong.
Right.
उसका एक form of way है देखने का. So everything is changing. अब आप उसको मानो या नहीं मानो वो आपकी मर्जी है. New planets, new discoveries may be added, but ये हमारे पितरों की दी हुई नॉलेज है. एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज केतु,
Right.
वो नॉलेज तो वैसी रहेगी, व्हील तो व्हील ही रहेगा, है ना? उसके अंदर आपको और नुआंसेस डालने हैं, आपको प्लैनेट्स डालने हैं. आई थिंक दैट विल हैपन. इट इज प्रॉब्ली ऑलरेडी हैपनिंग, है ना?
Before we started rolling, we were having a conversation, and you told me that even when you watch a movie, you are saying कि ये movie Saturn पे बनी है. मैंने आज ये picture देखी, वो Mars और Sun का conjunction है. And when you look at everybody, you are actually looking at them in terms of their planetary position. Like you already get an idea of what it is. Like you looked at these cups and said कि oh, black cups, Shani है. It immediately got my attention because it's so interesting. And how do you do that? How do you just look at things and you're looking at a film? Like, for example, I'm a choreographer. So when I look at a song, I'm not looking at the main star. I'm looking at the dancers behind saying, oh, dancer ne ye mistake kar di, ye kya kar rahe hain? But you are able to look at just like you're looking at cups and saying, Shani, you're loose. आपने पिक्चर देखी और आपने बोला वो पिक्चर मार्स के बारे में है और सन और इसका whatever Saturn conjunction. I want to hear about that. It's very interesting. I've never heard people say that.
Yeah, it's interesting, है ना? जैसे I was telling you, we went for this movie because it's Mars. Oh, उसमें song भी है Arjun Valley, है ना? So I come from those roots. So हाँ, चलो. Right now in transit, Sun and Mars are conjunct in Scorpio. Well, so they're so close, and Mars is the planet of war. Planet that this is that inner masculine energy within all of us, which is making us go out and fight.
Right.
And a Mangal energy, Josh kitna us. Now, when you're looking for, even while I'm watching that movie at that time, for me, it's that why am I even watching this movie right now? ना ये पहले क्यों नहीं देखी? अभी क्यों रिलीज हुआ? अभी क्यों? Why? Because it is helping you see a lot of people are getting to know through that the dynamics of their son, the sons with the father. Why is that movie doing so well? Because a lot of men are. This is a man's fantasy. मैं movie का review नहीं दे रहा हूँ, but what I'm trying to say is the psychology into this, right? Like a lot of men, they have this sort of a looking up towards their father. ये हम सबके साथ है. No, if sun is the father, moon is the mother.
Right.
So when you see such a movie and you realize कि violence कहाँ से आ रहा है, जो भी, like I don't want to comment on the movie of that.
Right.
What I'm saying is कि वो genre क्या था और वो क्या हो रहा था. And in my mind, yes, I've gotten into this matrix of seeing everything from that lens.
Correct.
No? So everything that is happening, it is giving you an indication. It's on you to pick up that.
Right.
कि भाई ये, what is it trying to say to me?
Right.
Like astrology is an additional information for your intuition
Right.
to use it in your current day-to-day life.
Throughout our conversation, you have redirected and you've mentioned this so many times that you need to ask the right question. And I know the importance of asking a right question because depending on what you ask, you will receive accordingly. And as a podcaster, I know that's very important. I'm going to actually play a game with you. I'm going to ask you 5 questions, just some random questions. और आप मुझे बताइए, to gain the maximum out of my chart, how should I rephrase that question? Huh? The first question is, will I be a billionaire?
No, where can I get abundance, wealth? Which you want to look at which direction you should go for this rather than will I have this or not?
Right.
Because that comes with a lot of this presumption कि ऐसा, like you don't want to be saying yes or no to a certain thing which a lot of times can change with your own karma.
Correct.
So yes, which direction would you? So yeah, sorry. Your first question was, will I become? What can I do to earn abundance of wealth? How can I get wealth? Yeah.
Correct. The second question is, will I get married? For
Hmm.
example, they will also come and ask you, ki, I have had a lot of relationships that haven't worked out, and I want to get married, but it's not happening. Will I get married?
Hmm. You can ask this question. Like when are my best chances of getting into an alliance? When you can look into my chart. When is the appropriate time for me to get married? Yeah, because even the first question you ask, it's not like that cannot be answered.
Correct.
But it sometimes you may not be able to get the answer. You know what I'm saying? Question to आप जो भी पूछ लो.
Right.
But because the answer is in the question.
Right.
So when you say, I get into a lot of relationships, but they don't fructify into a long-term relationship. So it's indicating that there's going to be an issue with the seventh lord. So you see certain significance. All these planets are significators of certain things, like we were discussing, right?
Right.
So when I'm discussing a partner, I'm naturally looking at, for a guy, I'm also looking at Venus. I'm also looking at their seventh house. So आपके क्वेश्चन में clues हैं of where the astrologer has to look.
Right.
I may not be able to give you a direct answer, but if there are placements in the chart which are indicating that yes, this person is going to have a, a long-term relationship, that you can answer. Why is it not fructifying? उसमें remedy आना है कि which is that planet which is impacting this person's relationship.
Okay. So, as a parting question, I want to ask you, if somebody wants to book an appointment with an astrologer to get their charts read, what all must they keep in mind while they're going ahead and doing that?
Do it with the right intention. अपना भाव ठीक रखना है आपको हमेशा. The reason I came here was also I felt that this is aligned. Like letting people know about these things. People do feel that यार ये सब this is mumbo jumbo. है ना? And it is an occult. Everybody will not understand it. It is coming from an aspect where a lot of intuition also does play. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक एस्ट्रोलॉजर की अपनी स्किल में उसकी अपनी भी एक इंट्यूशन ऐड होती है और वो इंट्यूशन लाउड होती है अगर उसकी डिवोशन सही है उसके परमात्मा पे.
Correct.
So when you are reaching out to an astrologer, that person is, for that time being, while they're talking to you, they're in your chart. They are like experiencing what you're experiencing. So there's a lot of energy exchange. आप जिस इंटेंशन से एस्ट्रोलॉजर के पास जा रहे हो वही भाव वापस पाएगा, है ना? The more clarity you have in your questions, the better the astrologer is equipped to answer those questions. You ask a very subjective, open-ended question. अब उसके अंदर ना फिर बहुत कहानियां पेली जा सकती है. You know what I'm saying? Like that, there's a lot of this ज्ञान that you can offer. Be specific. है ना? That more specific you are, the more specific the answers. What will bring me true joy? And come back to that.
Right.
No?
Right.
And then you're aligned.
Right.
Huh? अगर वो चीज अलाइन नहीं हो रही, if you're not seeking that true joy, something or the other will keep on coming in. और उसमें किसी का कुछ दशा ऐसा चल रहा है जो ऐसा उसको एक्सपीरियंस करना है.
Correct.
Know that this is a great tool for self-exploration, for understanding a lot of things, and it can really help you live a better life. Absolutely. I actually agree with it. The side that you have to know about astrology is that before you go to an astrologer, basics अपने chart के आपको खुद सीख लेने चाहिए. If you're going to be really deep, like we did the Navgrahas, the story, ये चीजें आपको पता होनी चाहिए पहले से. What does he mean? So that when somebody is trying to scare you with साढ़े साथी and Manglik dosh, and you know that you know the worth कि ये बंदा ये कहाँ लेके जा रहा है बात.
Right.
No? It's a great tool, but it's a supplementary tool. Your intuition is enough. Like, everybody doesn't need a GPS to drive, right? Like they just want to go with कि जैसे उनको drive करना है. So let them use this knowledge only when you find yourself. I mean, for people who don't want to learn astrology, right? That use it if you find some sort like you're lost, you're confused about it, or there's something that is creating a certain frustration. You have a certain question. Use it.
Right. So, like Vikramaditya said, if you're thinking of booking an appointment with an astrologer,
It helps.
it will always help to know more about the 9 planets, the 12 houses, and their placements. Bust the myths and fears, go fearlessly for your reading, and you will gain a lot from it. Go watch the episode again. And thank you so much, Vikramaditya,
Thank you for
coming on to this episode and sharing all of your knowledge, which will make life so much easier for our audiences when they go and get their charts read. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Bhav, for inviting me for your show, and I hope this information is useful for your audience. Wish you all the best.
Thank you. That was my interesting conversation with Vikramaditya Verma on Vedic astrology, and I can't wait to sit across the table once again with him and have many such team conversations. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Sot Safar with Bhav, because now healing has a face.